In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use organic research in Semrush. This walkthrough will help you quickly find where the organic data lives and understand what you'll see once you run an analysis. Start by opening your main dashboard in Semrush. This is the central hub where you'll find all your projects and tools. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace, then look to the left-hand sidebar. That menu is your roadmap. From there, click the section labeled Traffic and Market. This area groups together insights about how audiences reach websites and how traffic is distributed across channels. Within that section, choose Organic Search under Traffic Distribution. Selecting Organic Search focuses the view on unpaid, search-driven visits rather than paid ads or referral channels. It's the best way to isolate the performance of a domain in search engines, so the insights you get reflect how well a site ranks and how users find it naturally. Once you're in the organic search area, you'll see a field where you can enter a domain. Type in your domain just as you use it publicly, then click Analyze. This kicks off Semrush's organic research process for that domain. It's normal for the analysis to take a moment while the platform compiles the data. When the results load, you'll typically get a clear snapshot of the site's organic visibility. Expect to see high-level metrics, such as the total number of keywords the domain ranks for, the estimated organic traffic trend over time, and a look at how rankings are distributed across top positions. You'll often find a breakdown of top-performing pages and an overview of which countries or regions contribute most to organic visits. This context helps you understand not just how much traffic a site earns, but where it's coming from and which parts of the site are pulling the most weight. If you're on a free trial, you may find that this feature is locked or partially restricted. In that case, you might still see a limited preview or an example snapshot that demonstrates the layout and types of insights available. Use that preview to get familiar with the structure of the report and where key metrics appear, so when full access is available, you'll be ready to interpret the data quickly and confidently. That's the process from start to finish. Main dashboard, traffic and market, organic search under traffic distribution, enter your domain, and analyze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate organic research in Semrush with confidence.